You are hours from your destination when an engine fails during ETOPS flight. The first priority isn't choosing an airport, it's flying the aircraft. The crew stabilizes the aircraft, completes the required actions, and evaluates the planned diversion options. An equal time point helps determine which ETOPS alternate may be reached sooner after an engine failure. That's why ETOPS planning happens before departure. The diversion strategy is already prepared before the engine fails. And no, the closest airport is not always the one you will choose.